Hello everyone. I just came on today to show you a little haul of crafty stuff. Hubby took me to an estate sale I wanted to go to, and I didn't get a single thing at the estate sale. It's so funny. It's one of the companies that I like to use a lot, and I didn't find a single thing, which is very interesting because, usually I find some little something. Anyway, so on the way back, he took me to 5 garage sales. And believe it or not, at least one I didn't get anything at. But the others, I picked up stuff here and there, just little bits of stuff. But I thought I'd show you what I got, because one garage sale had some really fun stuff, and I had to really, truly control myself. But one of the garage sales had this. It's just standard copy paper, but it's the legal size. And I go through a lot of this. I think you can see that it's big. It's longer. I go through a lot of this with my jelly plate and coffee dyeing and all kinds of things. And this is like, I would say there's close to 3 full packages of 500 sheets, and she charged me $3 for it. So I thought it was a pretty good deal. At $1 a ream. You can get regular copy paper at Walmart for, I think, $3 or $4 a ream, and this is longer. So I like it partially because the longer stuff means that when you fold it in half, you have a bigger, a little bit bigger page. It's just one of those things I like. So for $3 for 3 reams, I thought it was very good buy. And then let me bring you in a little bit more now, because that way you can see a little better. But let's see. Why is it always that I have trouble getting you closer? Yeah, I always manage to make it go backwards. One of the garage sales, I got these. They are not handmade in any way, shape, or form. But I thought they would be really cute in journals. They're cotton. So I'm sure you can get these like at Hobby Lobby or Michael's or someplace like that. So doilies and placemat, set of 2. Well, there's 2 doilies in there. But because they're not handmade, I have lots of doilies. These are not handmade. I won't feel too bad about cutting them up to do things with. So I went ahead and got those for $1. I thought that was pretty good. And then now we did get a couple things for the yard and for the house. Jeff found a new bird house because he said one of his bird houses was falling apart, and I got some, it's like yard cloth kind of stuff, and that was a real good deal, and I needed something like that for a project we're working on outside. And then I found this for the house. I found this pan, which I've been looking for one of these. Mine, like this, somehow or another, it wore holes in it. I've had it for, 30, 40 years. I don't know, but it had little tiny pinholes in the aluminum. So, and probably because I use it for a lot of fruit. Fruit has acid in it, and if you leave it in an aluminum pan very long, it's going to eat it. And that would be my guess, is I make like crumbles and things like that quite a bit. So I've been looking for one of these in the store, and they're all like Teflon lined and stuff, and I didn't want that. So for $1, I was really happy to find that. Now that's not very crafty. I have no intention of using that for crafty. But then the one garage sale that really had some fun stuff, and I really had to behave myself. I got some wonderful trims. I can see boho journal in my future for sure. Let's see. What do we have that we can... We need a piece of white paper. Well, I have white paper right here. I don't... It was just in these bags, so I have no idea how much of anything there is, or... But it was too fun to leave. I really like that one. Isn't that awesome? I did control myself. I didn't take them all. I behaved real well. There was all kinds of trim too. She had all kinds of upholstery stuff, and apparently her daughter sewed for Mardi Gras, different Mardi Gras costumes and stuff. This one I thought would be really pretty on a sort of a vintage type journal. Let's see if I can get some of it to lay flat. Isn't that pretty? And it looks creamy. It's very cream colored. And like I said, there's probably a good solid yard of it here. I really didn't try to undo it and measure it because it was just too much trouble. So, but I'll show you the one that I liked the best. It was just awesome. And it's in pieces. So I made sure that some of the pieces were really nice and long. But this isn't all one piece, but isn't that just gorgeous? I hope the color shows good because it's very definitely fall colors. I can see it's maroon and like a teal and kind of a rusty color. I just thought it was beautiful. So, I think it'll be lovely around a journal or on the edge of some journal pages or something like that. So I couldn't pass them up. I was just so in love with them. I just had to have them. But then she had these, and I almost didn't get these. They were a little more expensive than I wanted to spend for them. I thought they were a little high. Not that that's high compared to what they are, but it was more than I wanted to spend. I think this has some limited uses, but it just was too cool. See how cool that is? It just... And Jeff really liked this one, but the black one was the one that I really liked, partially because I can see doing something like the Raven or something like that in a journal. I think it's the Raven. I can't remember the name of the author or anything else today, but I'll show you the black one. And it's going to be one of those things that has to be used very, very sparingly in a journal. But I think it will be a lot of fun. Isn't that cool? Oh, isn't that cool? And I don't know. Oh, yeah, you can see it. Look at how it iridizes on there. Anyways, let me see. I think that's all I got. I was really pretty good today. Like I said, we got some yard cloth that I got for a garden project. We got this all this wonderful trim. We got a birdhouse, that kind of thing. So it was fun. We had a good morning. We avoided chores. That's what we were really doing, is avoiding chores. And I got some good fun things. So I'm pleased. Didn't spend a lot of money. It's a cheap date. Let me read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity, and then I get to put this stuff away and get to work on a few things. I do have some chores to do. Writing comes more easily if you have something to say. Solomon Osh. Well, I suppose that's very true. Anyways, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.